If you want to look sharp and beautiful to leave a long-lasting impression on others, then you need to invest in the best ironing board. We have listed in the Ironing Board Reviews consumer reports, so you just have to take a look at the list and select the most suitable product. So, let's start from number 5, and stay tuned till we reveal our top 1. Number 5. Superior Essentials Wall-Mounted Ironing Board. Made up of premium quality steel, you can expect this ironing board to last for decades. The steel frame is complemented with a wood plate, which gives a smooth and sturdy surface to iron clothes. It doesn't weigh too much, so you can easily move it from one place to another. Number 4. Brabantia Ironing Board with Steam Iron Rest. Brabantia is one of the most popular ironing boards available on the market with its 4 sizes and 12 colors. 4 anti-slip caps attached on all 4 feet prevent the ironing board from slipping when you are ironing clothes. The height of this ironing board is adjustable, thus giving you maximum comfort. Number 3. Reliable The Board Pressing Table and Ironing Board. This ironing board features a double wishbone leg for maximum stability. Lead-free, high-gloss white finish will continue to look great for many years. The Board 300LB ironing board is made using tube frame construction, which offers maximum rigidity and stability. Number 2. Minky Homecare Ergo Plus Ironing Board. The ironing surface 48 by 15 inches. It's designed for comfort, speed and performance. Stable low-level steam generator rest, naturally comfortable ironing rest position. It has heat-reflective Pro-Zone cover, stable and strong loop legs. Number 1. Hom's T-Leg Steel Top Ironing Board with Foam Pad. Best-selling ironing board in the US today, Hom's has developed a T-Leg ironing board, which comes with a layer of foam pad to provide a firm and comfortable surface for you to iron your clothes. The riveted metal T-Leg offers stability, while its patented leg lock design makes storage and transportation easy. As far as the dimensions of the ironing board are concerned, then those are 53 by 13 inches, which is decent enough to iron any piece of cloth.